Welcome back to Ferocious Education. This is that. Today we're going to be talking about SOS Cloud. Make sure to drop a like to this video to help this channel grow, subscribe, and leave notifications on. And let's jump right into this one. I've broken this one into due diligence and then technical analysis. So let's jump right into the due diligence first. We need to understand a little bit better to who they are, what they do, and some of their services. So for that, we're going to go on through, as well as then go on towards their website and then their SEC filings or any news that we could find. So SOS Cloud. In terms of the company profile itself, this one here has a little bit of an interesting portfolio for sub-companies and subsidiaries, but generally SOS is a high-tech company with AI blockchain as the core technology, headquartered in Qingdao. The company provides customers with rescue, big data, trade, digital asset management, and other information technology services, AI blockchain technology, plus satellite communication. It is currently listed on the New York Exchange. We already know that. Company headquarters is located in Qingdao, focus on big data accumulation, cloud computing, the SOS Cloud Emerging Rescue Services, SaaS platform dominated by three basics clouds: medical rescue card, automobile rescue card, financial rescue card, and rescue mutual aid cards. That's four. Cooperative Cloud Information Rescue Center, Intelligent Big Data, Intelligent Software, and Hardware. So three, and each one has multiple in there. An Information Cloud, which is News Today, E-commerce Today. Next is our results. Through SOS Big Data Cloud, we provide users with a variety of products and services and rely on websites, app, and other rescues in mutual assistance platforms, extreme link intelligence interaction to create an international efficient rescue services. And some of their latest basic products here. Majority of them are apps. Next here is focusing on their medical rescue services. We get to see the first one is telephone medical consultation, which is first aid guidance with platinum 10 minutes, daily medical consultation, preclinical medical consultations, and daily healthcare consultations. Business travel rescue service, and then you got your funeral, ashes returned, and aftercare, visit to family members of returned minor children. And then the next thing we have here is information services. This is either telecommunication call services, insurance call services, bank call services. Next, what we have is basically a little bit of an overview of products and services. You get to see decentralized and cryptocurrency wallets and exchange technology, digital assets and cryptocurrency insurance technology, assets digitization and certification services, decentralized financial technologies, and security technology based on blockchain. Moving on, some of their medical rescue services get broken down to these few. Medical rescue services card, generally. This is business travel rescue, telephone medical consultations, return of minor children, family visits, and funeral ashes return aftercare. Vehicle rescue service card, disconnection services, replace spare wheel, basically C.AAA or DUG.AAA, whatever you have it in your country. Financial rescue services, vehicle financial credit, credit financial repayment, other financial issues, or life rescue service cards, which is assistance for elderly and children, domestic and overseas life rescue, and other life rescues. Next is medical apparatus. We don't have any information under there, so that might be coming soon. Next is operations mode. So you got the mobile app here, got the different cards there. And then now towards investor relations. So on investor relations, just a quick thing, you get to see all these subsidiaries they have for their cloud alliance and some of the latest news. So some of the latest news is including their 110 million registered direct offering that was issued on 11th of February 2021. Next is SOS announces receipt of 5,000 PCs of mining rigs ahead of schedule. So that is regarding the Bitcoin minings. The exercise of approximately $48 million in gross proceeds at an exercise price of $2. So massive capital raises there through offerings and warrants. SOS Limited enters framework agreement with Libong hydropower stations in Hejiang to secure cheap and renewable electricity for its cloud crypto mining center. Next, SOS announces development of cutting-edge series of security system based on blockchain and AI technology, completing the initial phases of its blockchain strategy. Completing, not competing. SOS Limited enters into a purchase agreement to acquire 15,645 mining rigs, Bitcoin hash rate of around 527p, and Ether hash power of 1056p. Now, you do recall here they did receive some actual of the mining rigs. That's around only 5,000 from initially massive amount as well. So 15,645. Next is SOS Limited enters into non-binding letter of intent to acquire a cryptocurrency technology provider based in Canada. That's another one. It's very bullish. SOS Limited announces the size of warrants for around 26.6 million. And let's jump right into their market cap, their statistics, and get to understand a little how far they are from paying off their debt, how's their financial sheets, etc. The market cap is around $484 million. Their statistics here, as it loads, just give it a second. It's not provided, so we might have to look into Finviz, although that's very inaccurate given a lot of times, so I've worked with it. And then we're going to go on towards the financials section. So on a quarterly perspective, income statements, what we're interested in. We don't have income statements here. Fine, we're going to go towards balance sheets on quarterly, and you get to see that their cash is quite a little bit low. Before that was halfway. Total last 72 million, total liability is 70 million. They honestly have raised enough cash to start paying off a lot of that loans and debts. So I'm not surprised if the next statement comes in to be that we are debt free. Total revenue has been decreasing year over year, but I think with their diversion towards cryptocurrency, that net income might actually be a net positive. So that's something to consider. So we kind of have a good idea of SOS. You get to see that they are on the brink of breaking positive or getting in positive income. It looks like they are diversifying towards Bitcoins and cryptocurrency. Before moving on forward, make sure to drop a like to this video to help the channel grow, subscribe and leave notifications on. If you'd like to join our Discord channel, it's free in the description below as a chat room. So on a one-day perspective, we get to see that the 80x here is still strong. It doesn't hit 50 yet where pullbacks are expected. 1% R is highly overbought. It's been all overbought since the 2nd of February. Momentum is really strong, and so is the MACD. The trading action zone where bullish reversals are likely is between 427 and 329. The price is above the 50 SMA at 246 as well, so that's bullish. On a 2-hour perspective, things are looking as well a bit nicer here. 80x is not even above 45, so it still has room to grow there. MACD looks like it is on a second run here. Looks like it drops a little bit in the morning and then jumps all the way back, and that's good. Momentum looks still strong. The trading action zone is between 673 and 554. That's where you can expect positive reversals to occur. You get to see already played once in the last 2 trading sessions. 50 SMA is above 40, is at 466. Above that, it's bullish. On the moving averages, we get to see 360 on the top, 327 in the middle, and 295 in the bottom. Although it's been trading the top moving average band line at 360 as the current support. Now, on stochastic fast and stochastic slow, they're both showing that there is another potential leg up on this one. We get to see here on the Fibonacci retracement, significant support sits at 636, 526, 449, 371, 276, and a significant resistance at 7076. Now through supports and resistances on the price line action, we get to see a support 721, next 627, next we're looking at 569, 518, 442, $4, looking at 376, 358, 320, and then down to 270. Now, if I was to draw a channel from way ago where growth would be seen, would be this channel here. You get to see it really jump beyond there. If you're investing, consider this channel because this is your key. Now, sometimes the stocks go parabolic on some news, but that's where traders start to come in and they want to cash in profits, and then they drop down the price back to the channel. You got to be very careful. You got to maintain this channel. It can easily drop below, and if it does, that might actually break that trend. What do you think about this ticker? Make sure to mention down in the comments below. Share, subscribe, and like. You have a wonderful day.